Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world and need to transfer USDT from Coinbase to Bitunix, this full guide for 2025 has got you covered. Whether you're looking to explore new exchanges or manage your assets better, I'll walk you through each step in a simple, secure way. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have verified accounts on both Coinbase and Bitunix. Also, ensure you have some USDT in your Coinbase wallet and that two-factor authentication is enabled on both platforms for extra security. This will help avoid any hiccups along the way. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and select the Assets or Wallet section. Find USDT in your list of holdings. Step 2. Click on the USDT asset and choose the Withdraw option. You'll see a form where you need to enter the recipient's address. But hold on, don't paste anything yet. Step 3. Switch to your Bitunix account. Log in, go to the Deposit section, and select USDT. Make sure to choose the correct network, like ERC20, as USDT is often on the Ethereum blockchain. Copy the deposit address provided. It should be a long string of characters. Step 4. Back in Coinbase, paste the Bitunix deposit address into the withdrawal form. Double-check that the network matches, e.g., ERC20, to prevent any failed transactions. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, but remember to account for network fees, which can vary. Step 5. Review all the details carefully. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and complete any additional verification steps, like entering a 2FA code. Step 6. Sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your email or transaction history for updates. Finally, once it's complete, log back into Bitunix and check your wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Coinbase to Bitunix in 2025. Always prioritize security, like using hardware wallets for larger amounts. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.